Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia Ansari and I am from UP. So today again I'm on the terrace just to record the video because it was raining since morning and I have just come here on the terrace just to record the video because at any moment you can see clouds are hovering in the sky. It may rain anytime. That's why I have just come on the terrace and you can see that I'm breathing very fast because I have come on the terrace but crossing 3 stairs. I'm on 3rd floor now, right? Because I don't want to waste any time. The birds are chirping, you can see. The weather is just awesome. So the time is to talk about the technique, that one technique that helped me a lot. You would be surprising that I always say that this technique has helped me a lot. Yes, I tried lots of the techniques and all these techniques helped me. And I tell only those techniques which helped me. That's why I am here to tell all those techniques which helped me. I think that they would also help you and I want you to speak like me. No, I'm not saying that I'm a very good speaker. I just want to say that I am able to speak whatever I want to say. That's why I want you just look at the weather. So let's talk about the technique. Yes, so the technique is because whenever we want to improve our English, we have only one thing in our mind, that we don't have partner, and we keep on thinking that I wish I would have a partner. I wish I would have, you know what I'm watching again and again, just the birds are chirping. That's why. So we always think that someone should be there. I should have a partner so that I can talk. The partner will ask me the question and I will reply. Just because of this, we want a partner just to converse. But what if I tell you that this conversation can take place with you only? Because we want partner just to talk and just to question and answer. And if I tell that, what if I tell that this conversation, this question answers can be done only by you, then there would be no need to have a partner. And we always blame the environment, blame the situation that we don't have partner. But today in this video, I will let you know how to work without partner, how to practice without partner, how you will become your partner and you will be able to speak like you are speaking with your partner, right? So, and here also I will let you know, I will give a demo that how to do this that practice, right? So the name of that technique is, without wasting the time, let's start, and here we go. The name of the technique is self-interviewed. Yes, you heard it right. You know, we always want to train ourselves like we are giving an interview, because wherever we will go professionally, it can be our job, it can be our business, someone will be in front of you, that person will ask you the question and you will supposed to be answering, right? So this training will train you like that. And how to do this practice, what you have to do here in this practice, let me show. First ask question like, who are you? Then answer. Like if someone will ask me, how are you? Then I will reply, good morning, my name is Sonia Ansari and I'm from UP. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed my graduation, post-graduation in English and education as well. I also have done B.Ed and I'm also qualified C.TET, Junior and Senior and UP-TET. I also have 15 years of teaching experience. And now I'm looking for a job that will suit me and that would be suitable for me, where I would have chance to grow in a better environment, where I can help I uh, my talent, my skills can work in a better way. Then when you will complete telling about yourself, then ask, okay, just tell me about your family. Okay, my name is Sonia Ansari, and I have my father's name is this, my mother's name is this. I have two siblings, two sisters and two brothers. My sisters' names are these, and my brother's name are this. And I love my family very much, as I can live without anything, but I can't live without my family. This is the reason that I don't go out of the country, out of the city, for to look for my job, right? Then when you are done, then ask another question, like what do you want to become? Then I want to become a teacher, as teaching is my passion, and I want to help the people to grow and to have to become talented, to be skilled in the things. And as teaching is the noble profession, and I love teaching because it's just a pure professional, where a teacher helps lots of the people in building their career, in building their confidence. So many things about teaching. Then ask another question. Okay, tell me about your dream. Then answer, my dream is to one day to become as much independent as I can, go out of the country for tour, and I can take my parents to that country, and I wish that I with my family can go out of the country to enjoy the family trip, right? Then ask, okay, what are you doing today? Is there any plan for today? Yes, I have a plan today, and I'm just planning to finish my work as soon as possible. Then I'll go for the trip with my family. We will go together on dinner, something like that. Whatever you can ask, you can tell. Sorry. Then, okay, tell me about your routine. Then tell about your routine. Then, okay, tell me something which you love most about yourself. Then tell what do you like most about yourself. You know, I'm not a kind of a person who appreciate himself, but one thing if I like about myself is a helping nature. I'm very helpful. If someone asks me for anything, I am always ready to help, whether it is possible or impossible. I always try to give my best. I always put my foot forward, best foot forward, right? It means I always try to do best. Then ask about, okay, tell me about your favorite hero. Okay, my favorite hero is Shah Rukh Khan, and I love him. Salman Khan as well, as these two heroes, these two people are not only I don't like them just because of their popularity in film industry. I also like their heart. They are good at heart, because I have never heard anything in any interview, in any podcast, in any newspaper. I haven't heard anything bad about these two personalities. Everyone, every single person appreciate them. So I love them very much. Then ask about who is your favorite heroine. Then this is like you keep on asking about yourself and keep giving answers. This will become like a conversation. And the best thing about this technique is that it never gets ended, because it's your life. You know much about yourself, so you can ask many things. Tell me something about your life which you want to change. If you get chance to change something about your life, what would you like to change? I can reply that I would, if I get chance to change something about my life, I would change my heart. Like Like I'm very kind-hearted person, and sometimes I feel disheartened. Most of the time I feel disheartened because people take undue advantage of my kindness. That's why if I want to change something, I want to become a little bit not as much kind as people take undue advantage of my kindness. Then lots of the things to ask about yourself. Keep asking and keep answering, keep asking and keep answering. And this is the technique which doesn't need your special time, your any particular time. This technique can be done at any moment, at any time, while sleeping, while waking up, while doing your work, while going out in the park, while going out of your home, wherever you are, whatever you are doing. This activity can be done in any situation, right? So this was this technique, self-interviewed. It is just an amazing technique, guys. You don't know how much help it's gonna help you, how much it's gonna help you. You will understand when you will try this technique. So it's my humble request, now the ball is in your court, how you practice this activity. Because this is the we always need content to talk, because sometimes we feel that we have talked much about our daily routine. Then ask different kinds of questions that will really improve you, as it improved me. Because when I was the beginner, I used to ask question again and again and again and again. Because for the what will be the situation when you will start asking the question, you won't be perfect in answering. So practice this technique, this activity, until you become master in answering the question. Because whenever you will go anywhere in professionally, whether you are doing your job or you are supposed to have your business, you are supposed to take interview and to give interview, you must be mastered in asking and answering. You must be able to ask the question, you must be able to answer the question. This question answer technique is just amazing. It helps a lot, right? So now let's get ended this video, and in next video I'll be telling you different technique about improving English. And before ending the video, let me ask you to please like, share and subscribe. Please guys, please subscribe. I really want to help the people. I really want to grow on YouTube. Yes, I said that I don't want I am not making these videos in order to get views, but yesterday I was thinking that getting views is must. If I am improving, I want people to be improved. And if I want people to be improved, in this way I have to reach the people, and I will be reaching people when I'll be having views. That's why I must grow on YouTube, so that I can have lots of the people before me and I can help lots of the people, right? So now I'm not saying that I'm not here to grow. Yes, I'm here to grow, because if I'll be growing here, I'll be helping more, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.